The TeraPlunge quickly clears pipes without chemicals. It uses air pressure, up to 6 bars, to unclog pipes, clearing organic matter and debris. It comes with adapters for toilet bowls and costs $32. Craftsman Shaver. This rasp, the Craftsman Surform Shaver, is perfect for carpenters. It has easy-to-replace blades and weighs only 45 grams. The kit includes a 10 cm curved blade for efficient corner shaving, available for $10. Cembre TW-18B. Designed for railroaders, the cordless torque wrench endures minus 20 degrees Celsius temperatures. It offers 250 Nm torque, weighs 14 kilograms, and has a built-in color display. Price: $35. Unger Universal Bulb Changing Kit. Say goodbye to traditional bulb changing methods. This kit has telescopic handles, 1.2 to 6 meters, and interchangeable grips. Get a set, including a 3.3 meters handle and 5 grips, for $50. Digital Angle Finder. A handy tool for measuring angles accurately. It runs on AAA batteries, displays data clearly, and includes millimeter and inch scales. Price is not specified. Format Folding Spotlight. A spotlight for workspaces with adjustable brightness, 1,500 to 5,000 lumens, and a 4.5-hour battery life. It stands at 1.9 meters and weighs 5.2 kilograms. Global Industry Ultim 4-in-1 Portable Workbench. A versatile workbench that can also be used as a step, dolly, or creeper. It has various height settings, 9 to 77 centimeters, a double-sided tabletop, and 3 110 valets. Walcom Air Blower Pro, ideal for auto repair shops. This blower increases airflow by 40%, reaching 3 bars of pressure and 265 liters per minute. Price: $102. Dot Shot. Popular in warehouses and packaging shops, the Dot Shot dispenser creates glue dots spaced 3.2 millimeters apart, adjustable for different materials. The dispenser costs $80. A roll of tape is $18. Ox Pro Claw Bar, not just a hammer, but also for prying and removing nails. Comes in 2 sizes, 25 and 30 centimeters, with the larger one costing $21. OPTIMA CHISEL Plane. A smaller chisel plane for tight spots, featuring a choice of handles, maple or cocobolo, and American 2-tool steel. Einhell BRILLIANTO. This cordless tool is perfect for window cleaning and can reach higher spots with a 120 centimeters extension. It costs $35 without a battery. Klein Tools Lineman's Insulating 4-in-1 Box Wrench, designed for working with power installations up to 1,000 volts, comes with heads for various sizes and costs $45. Roller Cleaner. This tool cleans paint rollers up to 23 centimeters wide. It works as a scraper and roller cleaner, available for purchase at $7.